Laguna Gay Queen number 11, Andy Amante from San Pablo City. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a resounding applause for our top 5 contenders for this year's Laguna Gay Queen 2025.
Congratulations to our queens of Laguna. And now, Lagunenses, let's get to know your Lesbian King top 5 finalists. Beginning with Lesbian King number. Congratulations, Lesbian King number 14, Kiel Isis Casino from the city of San Pedro. You are also part of our top 5 finalists, Lesbian King number 1 from the city of Binyan, Bana Daransha. Take your spot in our top 5 Lesbian King number. Who's your bet? Lesbian King number 8, Kim Chiel from San Pablo City. You are part of the top 5 for Laguna's Lesbian King. Lesbian King number 11 from Cabuyao City, JN Baguion. Completing the spot for our top 5 finalists is none other than Lesbian King number. Tonight is your lucky night, Lesbian King number 9, Candy Neconita from Los Baños.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, your top 5 finalists for Laguna Lesbian King 2025. Wow! You know, I hope Shirley and all their bets made it to the top 5 tonight. And at this point, we have arrived to the most crucial part of the competition. This really is actually my favorite.
Yes, it is my favorite, the most nerve-wracking part, as they say, the most nerve-wracking part of the competition. Huling puga, huling puksaan, huling putaan, ika nga.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is the final question and answer portion. Our finalists will be given, I believe, a common question, and they will have 1 minute to answer until they hear this sound.
That means when they hear that sound, it means that their time is up and they need to stop answering their common question.
So we will have to call on our finalists in chronological order.
Let's begin with Lesbian King number 1 from the city of Binyan. And your question is, what specific actions and initiatives can you suggest to provide better support for individuals within the LGBTQIA+ community? Anong mga tiyak na aksyon at inisyatiba ang maaari mong imungkahi upang makapagbigay ng mas mahusay na suporta para sa mga individual sa loob ng komunidad ng LGBTQIA+. LGBTQIA+.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat, kanina. Alam ko, lahat kayo medyo pagod na. But I would like to start with congratulating everyone that is here, especially to my brothers and sisters who are celebrating diversity tonight with us. Ladies and gentlemen, if meron na akong suggest sa mga kagaya ko o kaya mga aksyon o plataforma na mas makakatulong sa amin, hindi na ako namin. Ito na yun. Pageants like this will help lesbians and gay queens to be more, to come out and to come out of our comfort zones, to step up the game and be the best version that we can be. And I thank you.
Best version indeed of candidate number 1. Thank you very much. Now moving on to our next finalist. Lesbian King number 8, Kim Xiao of San Pablo City. Here's your question. What specific actions and initiatives can you suggest to provide better support for individuals within the LGBTQIA+ community? Anong mga tiyak na aksyon at inisyatiba ang maaari mong imungkahi upang makapagbigay ng mas mahusay na suporta para sa mga individual sa loob ng komunidad ng LGBTQIA+?
Nais ko pong ibigay ang aking 100% na suporta at maraming hindi po ako makakapagbigay ng sapat na pera. Ngunit ako po ay naniniwala na makapagbigay ng sapat na kaalaman sa mga kapwa ko LGBTQIA+. At ipapakita ko po at papakita po sa kanila na hindi po sila nag-iisa, na andito po ako magiging campaign po nila sa anumang campaign sa buhay nila. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Lesbian King number 8. And now, moving on to our next candidate, Lesbian King number 9, Candy Nacolita from Los Baños. Your question is, what specific actions and initiatives can you suggest to provide better support for the individuals within the LGBTQIA+ community? Ano ang mga tiyak na aksyon at inisyatiba ang maaari mong imungkahi upang makapagbigay ng mas mahusay na suporta para sa mga individual sa loob ng komunidad ng LGBTQIA+?
Ibigay ko pong suporta ay ang nagbibigay ko pong suporta ay isang public ko po ay ang isang pagpubliko ng sa eskwelahan ng paggupit ng buhok. Ayun lang ang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Lesbian King number 9. Again, my dear audience, please be mindful of with your actions and your actions about. Please be respectful with our candidates and let's give them some time to think. Okay? Moving on to our next candidate, Lesbian King number 11, J.N. Balion from Cabuyao City. Here's your question. What specific actions and initiatives can you suggest to provide better support for individuals within the LGBTQIA+ community? Ano ang mga tiyak na aksyon at inisyatiba ang maaari mong imungkahi upang makapagbigay ng mas mahusay na suporta para sa mga individual sa
na makakatulong sa plus kulang ng ating gobyerno upang may taas ang kalidad ng bawat pagtay ng LGBTQIA+. Sa pamamagitan na pagbibigay siguro ng tamang trabaho, naging nadagdagan ng kasabihan. Pagkakapantay-pantay, naturing sa lahat ng nasasakupan. Sa gayon, ang ating buhay ay magkaroon ng pag-ibig at pagkakaluhan. Ito pong maraming salamat.
Thank you very much. And we are now down to our last top 5 finalists from the city of San Pedro. Lesbian game number 14, Kiel I6 Quisido. Please step forward. Your question is, what specific actions and initiatives can you suggest to provide better support for individuals within the LGBTQIA+ community? Anong mga tiyak na aksyon at inisyatiba ang maaari mong imungkahi upang makapagbigay ng mas mahusay na suporta para sa mga individual sa loob ng komunidad ng LGBTQIA+.
Magandang gabi po ulit sa inyo lahat. Para sa akin po, ako po ay isang small influencer. At gagamitin ko po ang kakayanan ng social media para po hikayatin ang mga kapwa ko LGBT na magkaroon po ng isang grupo na meron po tayong matatawag natin isang safe place po para sa ating lahat. Kasi sa ngayon po, ayun lamang po ang aking magagawa. Gagamitin ko po ang aking kakayanan at talento upang makahikayag pa po ng iba pang parte ng LGBT na magkaroon po kami ng grupo at pagkakaisa para maramdaman po namin na safe kami at may karapatan po kaming mabuhay dito sa mundo. Yun lamang po ang
Thank you very much, our lesbian king number 4 from the city of San Pedro. And that concludes our final question and answer for our top 5 finalists and our lesbian king of Laguna 2025.
And now Laguna is the Queen's turn as we present to you in this final round of the competition. Once again, all of them will be asked a common question. And we shall begin with Laguna Gay Queen number 7, Mabe Matienzo from the city of Santa Rosa.
Please, wag kang lumayo ha.
Okay, we will follow what's on the list now. Alright, let's begin with Laguna Gay Queen number 13, Pia Garcia from the city of Santa Rosa. Hello, Pia.
Hi, good evening.
Here is the question. I'll be reading in Filipino, in English, and in Tagalog. The question is, gender roles are still deeply ingrained in our society. What role would you play to achieve real equality? Malalim pa rin ang nakatanim na tradisyonal na gampanin ng kasarian sa ating lipunan. Ano ang iyong magiging papel upang makamit ang tunay na pagkakapantay-pantay ng kasarian?
Thank you very much for that very interesting question. Ladies and gentlemen, opo, hindi pa nga po pantay-pantay ang pagtingin sa bawat isa. Because LGBTQI+ community ay lagi pa rin pong naisasatabi. Lagi pa rin pong minsan na isasabahala. Ngunit naniniwala po ako na ang magiging role ko dito sa ating lipunan, ito ay ang turuan ang bawat isa na matuto tayong tanggapin ang bawat pagkakaiba-iba natin. Dahil bakit? Ang pagkakaiba-iba po natin sa ating kasarian, sa ating relihiyon, sa ating mga sukat ng katawan at sa ating itsura, yan po ang patunay na lahat tayo ginawa ng Diyos upang tayo ay magkaroon ng salitang equality na dapat matutong tanggapin kung ano at sino tayo. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. Laguna Gate Queen 13, Pia Garcia from the city of Santa Rosa. Now let's call in Laguna Gate Queen 15, Kyla Kakagin from Paete. Hello, Kyla.
Hello po.
Here is the final question. Gender roles are still deeply ingrained in our society. What role would you play to achieve real equality? Malalim pa rin ang nakatanim na tradisyonal na gampanin ng kasarian sa ating lipunan. Ano ang iyong magiging papel upang makamit ang tunay na pagkakapantay-pantay ng kasarian?
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, I remember what Regine Buhian said in one of her answers in competitions. Gender equality or equality in this world is just an illusion. Because in life, there is always ups and there is always downs. In colors, there is always black and there is always white. So we will never achieve equality. However, given the fact that I was being asked by this question, my role would definitely be to become the message of hope to each and everyone that it may be impossible to achieve equality, but we can lessen all the atrocities that we are facing as part of the LGBT community. After all, if we work hand in hand as one, we will definitely achieve solidarity in waking and living a safe haven for each and every single individual. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Laguna Gate Queen 15, Kyla Kagin from Paete. Now, let's hear it from Laguna Gate Queen 7, Mabe Matienzo from the city of Santa Rosa. Hello, Mabe.
Sir Michael, good evening.
Good evening to you. Here is the final question. Gender roles are still deeply ingrained in our society. What role would you play to achieve real equality? Malalim pa rin ang nakatanim na tradisyonal na gampanin ng kasarian sa ating lipunan. Ano ang iyong magiging papel upang makamit ang tunay na pagkakapantay-pantay ng kasarian?
So thank you so much for that wonderful question. So ladies and gentlemen, gender role is always a vital and a rampant issue in our society. Ladies and gentlemen, if I were to be your Laguna Gate 2025, I will be the voice, I will be the inspiration, the motivation, and the leader in order to improve the gender role that we should accept every gender here in the Philippines, especially in Laguna. And as your public servant, I will inculcate a program that will teach the elder and the younger one to know your gender role in the future. Because ladies and gentlemen, I believe that knowledge is the key for everyone to accept. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mabe Matienzo from the city of Santa Rosa. Now, headphones off from Laguna Gate Queen number 12, MJ De Lima from Santa Cruz. Hello, MJ. Good evening, such beaming smile. Here is the final question. Gender roles are still deeply ingrained in our society. What role would you play to achieve real equality? Malalim pa rin ang nakatanim na tradisyonal na gampanin ng kasarian sa ating lipunan. Ano ang iyong magiging papel upang makamit ang tunay na pagkakapantay-pantay ng kasarian?
I believe ang mabuting papel sa mundong ito upang magpantay ang tamang kasarian ay ang pagiging isang mabuting tao. Kung mabuti kang tao, maaaring magagawa mo ang pabubuting pakikisama. Mabuti kang anak ng Diyos, mabuti kang anak ng iyong ama't ina, at higit sa lahat, mabuti kang kaibigan. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm standing here in front of you that I should say in LGBT community, there's a lot of people who are exist. There's doctors, bankers, and even farmers or soldiers. So whether we know it or whether we acknowledge it, we are your family. And as a part of the LGBT community who wants to be treated like a decent human being, hangad ko lamang po ay matrato ako ng tama. Hangad ko lamang po ay maging mabuti akong kaibigan. Hangad ko lamang po ay maging mabuti akong anak ng Diyos at maging mabuti kong anak ng isang pamilya. And I thank you.
Thank you very much, MJ De Lima from Santa Cruz. And now finally, let's hear the thoughts of our Laguna Gate Queen number 11, Andy Amante from San Pablo City. Andy, here is the final question. Gender roles are still deeply ingrained in our society. What role would you play to achieve real equality? Malalim pa rin ang nakatanim na tradisyonal na gampanin ng kasarian sa ating lipunan. Ano ang iyong magiging papel upang makamit ang tunay na pagkakapantay-pantay ng kasarian?
Thank you for that question. I think respect is one of the greatest expressions of love and intelligence. As the internal vice president of LPU Laguna Dangal from 2018 to 2019, I dedicate my efforts to promote inclusivity and educating others on the importance of ending discrimination. Since then, I have remained committed to fostering understanding, respect, and acceptance for all, regardless of a gender identity or orientation. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Andy Amante from San Pablo City. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, your Laguna Gate Queen 2025 Top 5 finalists. Well, the year 2024